we've landed at McCarran International Airport in Las Vegas. We're going to take the tram over to baggage claim and then the shuttle bus over to the rental car center.
Board the next tram to Terminal 1 baggage claim for American and Delta Airlines.
Shuttle to the McCarran rental car center here. It's about a 10-minute ride over. And we just got off the shuttle bus to the McCarran rental car center. Here we are. And we're gonna go in and get our car inside the McCarran rental car center. So here's all the different companies here represented. And we're at National. Check out the lines here at some of the places. That's the long line. We're at National. We're gonna go right up those escalators over there. And we're skipping the counter and we're gonna pick out our car. And there's the escalator right up to Alamo and National. And we got off the elevator, came up here to National. So they share their lot with Alamo. So I spoke to the lady at the attendant booth, and these are the premium cars available in this row. I got to pick one. They're all Maximas except for one Chevy Impala, which is right over here. I would have liked the Impala, it's bigger, but I believe the Maxima is a little bit newer, and these Impalas are being phased out anyway, so in the future I'm more apt to get a Maxima, so I want to try out what a Maxima feels like. That's what I reserved, a Maxima or better from National. And the keys are in the car, and we're gonna go check out. Here's the car I picked at the National lot. It's a Nissan Maxima that was in the reserved premium section. So the whole experience with National was phenomenal, like usual. And while there was a line of over an hour at some of the other places, I walked right up, skipped the counter, and walked right up and picked up my car. So I've rented from National several times and I've never had any problems. They actually bailed me out of a bad situation with another company where I had a prepaid reserved car and there was no car upon arrival. Nissan Maxima back to National Car Rental. So we're just following the sign at the airport for rental car return. Going through the tunnel on the way to the car rental return at the airport. We're gonna stay in the right lane and keep following the signs. And we're gonna take the exit to Gillespie Street. That's where the airport rental car center is. I'm going to drop this car off. Here's the car rental return. We're just going to follow the signs to National. Alright, here's the final stop where we're going to drop off our car at National Car Rental. And here's the final destination for our rental car at National. I just pulled right up. The lady instructed me to pull forward. She came over here, took the keys, scanned the windshield, and she is going to give me an email receipt, and that's it. So simple. And hope you enjoyed the video of my experience at National Car Rental.